Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cleaning video for you guys. We are leaving on vacation tomorrow for 10 days and I'm so excited. But before I go, I gotta clean this house up. We are having our dog sitter come stay here and the dogs are gonna stay here. So the house just needs to be in good shape for that. And then of course we just wanna come home to not a total mess. But there are some things that are a little bit strange about today's cleaning routine. The first is last night we decided to start painting our bedroom accent wall and we can't decide between that navy color and the cream color, so all the painting stuff and everything is out. Don't ask me why we decided last night would be a good time to start that. But yeah. Oh, and of course I've got my dogs running around, so you're gonna see them. But anyways, let's jump into it. I'm going top to bottom. I'm cleaning this whole house so we can go on vacation. Guys, should I just make a video about my dogs? I mean, they're in every single one. I think it's time. They deserve their own, starring this guy. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna clean top to bottom. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I make videos about minimalism, motherhood, Judaism, all that good stuff. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel to see more. Let's get cleaning. Alexa, play Miley Cyrus radio station on Pandora.
Get in your Miley Cyrus radio station from Pandora.
Okay, please excuse my dorky dancing. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make my bed and try to get those dogs out of the way so I can do it. And then I just fold up this big, huge blanket that we keep at the end of our bed. I had to keep a lot of the paint stuff out and about, during this cleaning video, but I still wanted to just organize my nightstands a little bit and just clean up my desk. I had a ton of different papers and notebooks and everything out there, so I just wanted to organize the space a little and just fluff up the cushions and fold up all the blankets on the couch up in our bedroom area. Next up to tackle is just my closet, but there really isn't much mess in there. I try to keep it pretty clean and tidy during the week. So yeah, just a little bit of folding some clothes. And then I just like to vacuum this carpet pretty much every other day or every 3 days because it is a cream colored carpet and we do have 2 dogs and the toddler walking around on it. So I find it helps so much to just vacuum up all the hair and dirt that gets in it for keeping the color nice. Then I just like to spray down my surfaces. Most of the time I use this Nature's Promise free and clear spray if it's really dirty, or just my homemade vinegar solution if it's just a daily clean. But because this is a little bit of a more intense one before we leave, I'm using the Nature's product one. And then I'll also wipe down my desk area now that I've decluttered it and make sure those surfaces are clean too. So this is the bedroom all clean and ready to go, aside from our suitcases that are still out and about. And then moving on to our master bathroom. Again, I'm using the same cleaning products, and of course I throw the e-cloths into the laundry machine as soon as I'm done. And the counter space in the bathroom is a huge mess from packing everything. And just a messy week. So yeah, just tidying all of that up, and then I'm going to wipe these surfaces clean too. There we go, all nice and clean and ready to go. Okay, then moving on to my son's room. This isn't too messy, just a bunch of books from bedtime that have to be put away and a little bit of toys that he has out. And then the last thing I'm going to do is fold some extra clothes I had out and about, wipe down his surfaces, and then just vacuum the room. Okay, so that's his nursery room all done, and next up is our playroom. So again, just a few toys out and about, or really a lot of toys out and about I should say. So just putting those all away in their different buckets and bins that they go into, and then this room just needs a quick vacuum and it's done also. There we go, nice and clean. Okay, then moving on to my son's bathroom, I'm going to do all the surfaces again and just clean and hang up his little bath mat and all the toys. I like to look around for toys that need to just be thrown away or washed and everything. So I'll get rid of those and clean those off and then do the surfaces, and then this bathroom's ready to go. Okay, my dog, I realize, is just in every single room as I clean it. This is our guest room, so I just want to prep it for our dog sitter to come stay. So I'm just doing a quick vacuum in there, otherwise no one's been in that room, so it's clean. And then I need to do the basement, so I'm just going to vacuum it. This is really like the dog's zone, so it's mostly just the carpet that needs to be taken care of. And I do keep the couch covered in this like special waterproof, dog-proof blanket, and then I'll just put my son's toys up so that the dogs don't get into them when we're gone.
Hello. Okay, sorry for the interruption. It is actually still the same day, but a lot has happened since I finished cleaning the basement this morning. I've had my hair cut, I've had a shower, but it is still the same day. I wanted to come up here and show you guys. Ignore the dog bone. That is my suitcase over there, and my husband's suitcase over there. The rest of the room is still clean. But yeah, so this morning I finished cleaning the rest of the house. The only thing I have left to do is clean the kitchen living room area, so I wanted to wait to clean that because we still had like lunch and dinner and that kind of stuff to do there. So now that's all done. My son is having his bath ready for bedtime, so I just need to do a final clean of that space and then we'll be all ready to go on vacation. Alright, so sorry for the interruption. Let's finish this cleaning video.
Okay, so I'm just going to vacuum all the floors and carpets in our living room area. There's not too much mess out and about in this room, so I really don't need to do too much to the living room besides the vacuuming. And then I'll just wipe down our dining room table surface and clean up some clutter in the kitchen. And the last thing I like to do in the kitchen before we leave for vacation is just take out all the food that I think will go to waste while we're not there.
Okay guys, so that is my house all clean and ready for vacation. The only thing I have left out is a pizza box because we ordered pizza for dinner because I did not want to cook the night before we leave for vacation. And there's also a sliced papaya, which we're eating right now because it was gonna go bad. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.